Unfortunately, everything that the news said is true. Jamie Hudson and Lewis Nixon agreed on the nuclear pact. They legalized all the nuclear weapons they developed.
But what exactly does that mean?
We're not sure, but it's much more worse than you think.
They're going to destroy our Hazel with nuclear weapons? Is this what's going to happen?
Look, we don't know that yet.
But that's what Louis thinks. He thinks he could have full control of the city, and we don't want that. We have to go to near Tosh right now.
But it's too soon for that. We haven't even refurbished the house yet.
What the hell was that?
Please tell me it's not what I think it is.
Guys, it's all right. It's probably just a test or something.
What is going on? Is this a drill?
How would I know? My phone didn't get an emergency message yet. Maybe those sirens were hijacked by teenagers or something.
Oh, no. Please tell me this is not real.
Is this it, right? Are we all done for?
Carl, calm down. We don't know what it is yet, but it sounds pretty scary.
Everyone get out of there right now. There is a missile flying.